Hey everybody, it's Pixel, and today I'm going to be making a Copycat spinach artichoke dip from Applebee's. For that I'm going to need an 8-ounce bag of spinach, an 8-ounce package of cream cheese that I'll be dicing up, a shaved container of Parmesan cheese, or you can shave your own, about 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, and 18 ounces of artichoke hearts. And last but not least, a jar of alfredo sauce. This should be pretty fun and easy. So let's go. Alright, our first step is to get the alfredo warming up. It's into the alfredo. Going to start putting our diced cream cheese and melting it into the alfredo sauce. After that is mixed in, you're going to want to put about a cup of your cheese. Also, I don't think I said in the ingredients, but this is a 5-ounce container of Parmesan cheese that I will be adding in now. Once the cheese is melted, it is time to add artichokes. And your spinach little by little. Turn off the heat on this, and once it's giving it a minute, try it on out with some chips. Right, I dished up some of our dip. It looks amazing. Now it's time to dive in there. Try some on out. Well, I can honestly say for once, this tastes exactly like the restaurant. I did put a layer of some of the last of the cheese on top and just let it sit there and melt while I dished up some chips. I think I tried to make one a long time ago and I never cut up the artichokes, and it was like having a giant chunk of artichoke sometimes. But no, this dip is perfect. I could honestly just make this a meal, and you could probably take the leftovers of this and put them into some pasta. Look at that naughty chip breaking while I'm trying to eat stuff. I think the only thing I might change is chopping up the spinach a little better than just leaving it whole leaf in there. But that would be like the only thing. So if you like what you saw, don't like what you saw, you know what to do. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, and I will see you in our next one.